How to fix an error occurred while trying to copy a file. The source file is corrupted in Windows 11, and the first workaround is a scan drive. Go to File Explorer. You can also open File Explorer by pressing Win logo plus E shortcut key. Here go to this PC option and apply a right click on C drive and choose its properties. Windows C properties, under tools, click on check. The option will check the drive for file system error. After click on check, a small windows will pop up. Here you will find the option scan drive. Next, scan for SSD errors. Go to Windows search, type CMD, and command prompt window will open as a administrator mode. Click on run as administrator and a black windows will appear on your screen. Here you should type chkdsk and slash and type your drive later. If you are having D drive, then type D, and if you have E drive, then type E and press enter after each entries. Thereafter, make sure you have the required permission. Right click on any folder and choose its properties. Click on security tab and scroll down and click on advanced button. Thereafter, click on change option under honor field and thereafter choose advanced option. Here click on find now button. Thereafter you will find a list of honor. Here you should choose the account having Microsoft account. Choose credential having Microsoft account and finally click on OK button. Thereafter, at the end, run system file checker. Go to the Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt as administrator mode. Type SFC scan now after blinking cursor and the system will now check any corrupted file system in your Windows 11 system.